Alright, so what we're going to try to do here is we're going to see what's wrong with my clutch. And this is more of a video that would be to show you what's inside of the clutch instead of an actual all knowledgeable, all knowing, just kind of a general idea. I'm definitely not the most knowledgeable when it comes to this, but I could find nothing on this on the internet on taking it apart. So I figured I would put something together myself. Take the brake lever off, so that way you've got access to the clutch cover. And the $64 question is going to be, can I pull the clutch cover off with the bike on the side stand without losing any oil, or without losing much oil, as I have just recently changed the oil. And I'm about to find this question out. You might hear the water running through my gutters outside, as it is lightly raining, and I got the garage door open for lights. Temperature's not too bad outside today. It's just a dreary day. All the screws are the same size except one. Cover comes off easily enough. O-ring gasket's still intact in the cover. Question is, all of these are tight. I had a recall on these about these coming loose. These haven't. My clutch has got a slight, something has a slight slip in it. Slips just a tad on start off, and then it grabs, and it doesn't, and then doesn't do it anymore. So we'll see if I can find anything wrong with the clutch. Bike only has 40,000 miles on it. It's been ridden off-road very little. I travel a lot with it on the interstates, on back roads, used to interstates. I've traversed the U.S. from Utah to Tennessee multiple times, out to Arizona and back to Tennessee a couple of times. I traveled other parts of the U.S. as well on it for my ministry. Outer part, everything looks good. That friction plate looks pretty good. Definitely got some wear, but not too bad. Metal plate. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good, as you can see. The numbers on the plate here all appear to be facing down. Not 100% sure if it matters which way the clutch goes in. And I will put it back the way it came out. I'm assuming that's supposed to have the play. The outer part would attach to that, and no discoloration in these from overheating. And looks pretty good. All the metal plates look excellent. All the friction plates look good as well. Alright, and here's some plates where the numbers face out. So I'm assuming it doesn't make any difference whatsoever. Probably help if I had the right tools for the job. Some type of little pick to get in behind this would probably make this a little easier.